first test smoking of actual food. And in here we've got, it's a fairly cold day. We got some steaks. They're getting a little smoke treatment before they hit the grill. And then we got some pork country style ribs. They've been brined, so we're going to see how that works. Pretty well shut up here. Not as hot as the test burn. Got some nice smoke going there. Let's see. I'll let you guys know how it worked out. I'm banking on it working because I've got my fish in the brine. So we'll see how this goes. I'll let you all know. Okay, I've got the fish in. That was just the right amount. I'm going with a little bit of apple and hickory. Recheck it in 30 minutes. Pretty cold out here and pretty windy. Not getting much heat. That's okay. We can finish them in the oven if we have to. I'll probably pour on some major charcoal briquettes here in 30 minutes to turn up the heat a bit. Let it get a good smoke first. Here's some finished product here. The results of the labor making a smoker, catching fish. Beautiful rainbow trout. It turned out fabulously well.